Hello everyone, I am Punyakirti BL. Welcome to my Python for Generative AI learning series. In this series, we are focusing on Python basics that will help us to build a strong foundation for implementing generative AI concepts. So let's dive in and start today's session. So today's topic is Python string methods. It's a part 1 video. Let's start with introduction. Today we are going to learn about Python string methods, tools that help you manipulate and work with text efficiently. By the end of this video, you will know how to modify, clean and analyze strings like a pro. So let's start with basic question, what is a method in Python? A method is like a function, but it is linked to a specific object. In Python, everything is an object. For example, x is equal to 10, that x is an object of type int. S is equal to ABC, it is a string. S is an object of type string. You can check the type using the type function. Print type of x, class int, it will print. Let's understand by running this code in our environment. I will type this and in our environment I'm commenting this and indicate indentation if I maintain. Now we are able to find class int for type of x and string here using type function. Strings have predefined methods, special actions you can perform to manipulate text. So one tip is working with text is a key skill in programming, and practice is the key to mastering it. Let's start with changing text case. Python provides easy ways to convert text to uppercase or lowercase. So we can see which are the functions we used or methods which we use to do this. I have a string model output. This is I is the future of everything. So what is I will make it is gen AI. I will make it like this, is the future of everything. So I want to print model output dot upper. This upper function or method is used to convert this string into uppercase. That lower function or method which is used to convert that to lowercase. How it will print? Let's see. Now you are able to see all the strings are in uppercase. All the strings are in lowercase. In this way we can use the methods in string to convert lowercase and uppercase. These methods do not change the original string, they return a new copy. For example, if again I have to print, so I created update and all these things. After that, without any thing, when I run, you're able to see here whatever we saved automatically that is printing. After converting also to upper and lower, but when we print the model output, the original output will not change because strings are immutable. If you want to save the modified version, assign to a variable. Now what I am doing here, I am using a new text, and that new text we need to print. I am assigning this to uppercase and print that to next. Text. So let's run what will happen. It is giving error. So let's take this and print using that, and when we run, now we are able to see whatever uppercase we converted, that is we are able to print text. So this is how we can work. This we cover with changing text case. Next topic is removing extra spaces or characters. Sometimes text contains unwanted spaces or symbols. The strip methods helps to remove them. How to do that? Let's see. Now I have this one. In response string, I have is equal to, here you are able to see the space and hello world. So clean response, what I am doing, response dot strip I am giving. So I will save that to clean response, because when you call a function or method using response dot strip, this is a string method will not modify that data. So we need to get the modified data into another variable. That's why we are getting. So when I print hello world, there is no space. It is removed the space here. So you guys a specific character by passing them to strip function. How to do? Let's see. Here we have symbol called special symbol, which is um, smiley image like that. So when I'm passing that strip function, when I print, so as a second part it is remove this special symbol. Now I want to remove h from that hello. Let's see, hello is h is removed. Likewise, strip is used to remove special symbols, also spaces. Next topic is replacing words. Okay, to replace words in a string, use the replace method. For example, I want to use this example to show how replace is works. I have a text called ML is amazing, ML will change the world. Now update text is equal to text dot replace ML with machine learning. So when I print the updated text, it should print like this. ML is replaced with machine learning, and here also machine learning. This is the one way to replace the string within a string using replace method. This is useful when you want to make text more readable. Next topic is counting words or phrases. So you can count how many times a word appears using count. For example, let's understand. I have a code here in this text I saved, and text.count is equal to future. Here future is 2 times it is repeated, when I get 2 times it is added. Now I will add again after this future. So when we increase, now it is the count is 3. In this way we can count the words or phrases in the string. Now case sensitivity, count is case sensitive. That means if I go and print like this, now future is 3 counts it is we got. Now if I increase, now the future whichever we are searching is F capital, but it is not available here. When I print, first time it is printed 3 because this feature is case sensitive, but it is exactly matching, that's why we are getting 3 counts. Future it is not there, that's why we are not getting. Now I will make it as F as capital, and when I run, now you see 1 time, so it is case sensitive. Okay. To ignore case, combine with lower. To avoid this count with lower, now we can add that one. So what we are doing, this future with capital letter is 1 time, future is 3 time. Now again I am whatever doing, text I converted into lower dot count future. Now you see 3 counts again we are getting because future 3 times. This feature it is not lowered, that's why we got in 2 counts. This feature only 1 time we got this, but I need to get the feature with the lower. If I use that one without case sensitive, we can find that one. This way we can count the phrases one by one. Now let's wrap up or recap. Today we learned what methods are in Python, how to change text case using upper and lower, how to remove unwanted spaces or symbols using strip, how to replace words with replace, how to count words or phrases using count and make it case insensitive. Remember, strings are objects. Method return new strings, and consistent practice will make you confident in handling text in Python. Next video, in part 2 video, we will explore more string methods including find, split and join to handle text even more efficiently. Thank you for watching today's session. This is Python for Generative AI learning series. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Also feel free to connect with me on LinkedIn. The link is in the description. See you in the next session. Thank you very much.